Miscalled textbacks are powerful, but the default setup is a bit repetitive and robotic. If someone calls multiple times, they get the same message over and over. This video is inspired by Adam McKeens, who broke down the standard setup and its flaws. I'll link his original video below, but since then, GoHighLevel has changed. There are a few bugs that are stopping his particular flow and a few limitations. So today, I'll show you an improved way to build this so responses feel more human and adjusted based on call attempts. Start a new flow, hit add trigger, and pull in a call status. Add a filter, call direction incoming, and call status no answer. Hit save. Next, we'll add an if then else statement. Add contact details, tags, includes, and add a tag called miscall1. If you don't have one here, you can add it here, like that. I've got one, so I'll just add the one that I have. Add an X branch, tags again, includes, once again, miscall2, save that. Adam's tip is in your branches, label them to make your life easier in the future. Next, the first call that we received, we're going to add a tag, add a contact tag, and add miscall1. Call that add tag miscall1. Next step, add a step, put a wait in. We're going to put 9 seconds. Just for simplicity's sake. This works in decimals, so if you want 6 seconds it'll be 0.1, if you want 12 seconds it'll be 0.2. I'm going to go 9 seconds, so I'll put 0.15 and call it wait 9 seconds. After that, let's put a text message in. So SMS, send SMS, let's call it miscall1, and here's where you'll enter your text message. I'll pull in something generic here, like that, but flavor to suit. Let's save that. Where this differs from Adam's is that he would remove the tags on each one, but I've noticed that if you remove the tags and you have multiple catch-alls, multiple missed calls in here, types, it just breaks the whole thing. I don't know if it's a bug or if it's a new feature that I can't quite make sense of, but it just didn't work. So I have to add tags to everyone, and then we'll remove them at this last step. So let's copy this across, copy action, add it here, call it miscall2, and let's put miscall2 as the add. Let's add 9 seconds, and let's add the text message. Flavor to suit. Okay, finally, the last action. If they call a third time, I'm going to call this miscall3. We're going to remove tags. Miscall1, miscall2. So when they go down this line, it'll remove these 2 tags. So if they call a 4th time, they'll reset to the 1st. Copy over that last message. Last one I had was this one here, save, and that should be golden. You can test this workflow by hitting test and throwing in a contact in here, preferably yourself. You could also use your mobile to call your landline and get that triggering through, or if you really need to troubleshoot, you can add a new trigger, add a contact tag, and create a new tag, call it test or something along those lines. And then in the contact card, you can just keep triggering test on and off. But if you need to do that, you'll actually have to have it published, which might be problematic if this is a live environment. I hope this helps. As I said, heavily inspired by Adam. I'll link his video. He seems like an absolute gun. I just discovered him the other day, but I'm very keen to dive through his stuff. But hopefully this helps anyone that is following his path and all of a sudden realizes that it's broken. It's not necessarily him. I think GoHighLevel's made some pretty dramatic changes, and everything just seems to be a little bit strange or broken or missing. Cheers. Have a good one.